পুলিশ কমিশনারকে অর্ডার দেওয়া আছে। কজন পুলিশ লাগবে?
60-65 জন মিনিমাম লাগবে।
60-65 জন অ্যারেঞ্জ করুন। কোথা থেকে করবেন? আপনি জানতেন তো এই অর্ডারটা ছিল?
Lords will kindly see. According to my lord orders, I have posted a police.
A police?
Police.
How many police are there?
That police were a number of police personnel were there, and they were released
Is
on.
this the structure? This big one?
No.
Is this the structure?
Yeah. This structure is 144 by 1.
No.
Facing difficulty. Aadhaar card is 144 by 1.
The police is worrying about whether these things. Well, I have the file, my lord. No. Inspection was done in respect of the entire holding, and the order was passed in respect of the entire holding. There was no, my lord, order in respect of any bifurcated holding. About this. Why they are worrying, my lord? What is their problem? Kindly see, my lord, the file. In the last,
1 minute.
The police did not give any phone.
They have committed the mistake. They have never disclosed that there is a mutation.
So which police is raising all this issue?
Belur police station.
Belur police station.
And the commissioner of police Howrah was also directed to take steps.
Yeah, that's why I'm praying for extension of time to identify the fraud.
Listen,
So that
tell your officers, this officer in charge Belur police station and the commissioner of police both to appear online at 2 o'clock. I'll deal with them.
That is required.
And your officers, Mr. Banerjee, tell your officers to be very extremely careful,
My lord.
because I'm going to handle them very properly. I know how to iron these type of people. And Mr. Mukherjee, 2 o'clock, both should appear online. Both should appear online today itself.
Not my officers, my lord.
No.
Not your officers. Please.
My officers were released by the Howrah Municipal Corporation on 5th February after 4:30.
I am telling you, please tell the commissioner of police of the Howrah Police Commissionerate and the officer in charge of the Belur police station to appear online. I want to speak to them.
Just OC is here. OC is here.
Where is the OC? Call him. Yes.
Only one thing, my lord. If they do appear at 1 p.m., then the demolition proceedings can be started.
Very well. 1 o'clock. No, somebody is here. If
He's
he is
already
there, then we can make things.
Let them go there and vacate it.
No, but your lordship can see. They, the occupants, they have showed that Aadhaar card.
I am not going to listen to anything, and you do not.
Kindly correct it that 144 by 144 1A, I have no difficulty. OC is present before your lordship.
Officer in charge, Belur police station. There is a direction. Will he be able to understand English, or should I speak in Bengali? What? এই ফাইলটা দেখি। Give me the photograph, please.
Yeah.
Give me the photograph. এখানে একটা বাড়ি দেখতে পাচ্ছেন? এই বাড়িটা ভাঙা হবে। আজ থেকে শুরু হবে ভাঙা। আপনি সেখানে গিয়ে যারা আছে তাদেরকে উচ্ছেদের ব্যবস্থা করবেন। ওটা 144 নম্বর কি 144-1 সেটা আপনার দেখার দরকার নেই। কোর্টের অর্ডার আছে এই কনস্ট্রাকশনটা ভাঙার জন্য, যে কোনো অ্যাড্রেসেই এটা হোক। এটা একটা ইলিগাল স্ট্রাকচার, এটা ভেঙে ফেলার ডিরেকশন আছে, অনেক দিন ধরেই আছে। এটাকে ইমিডিয়েটলি ইমপ্লিমেন্ট করতে হবে। বুঝতে পেরেছেন? পুলিশ কমিশনারকে অর্ডার দেওয়া আছে। কজন পুলিশ লাগবে?
60-65 জন মিনিমাম লাগবে।
60-65 জন অ্যারেঞ্জ করুন। কোথা থেকে করবেন? আপনি জানতেন তো এই অর্ডারটা ছিল? এই কনস্ট্রাকশনটা ইমিডিয়েটলি ভাঙা হবে, কোন রকম অজুহাত কিন্তু আমি শুনবো না। আজকে দুপুর 2টোর থেকে ভাঙাটা স্টার্ট হবে। আপনি ওখানে যা যা অ্যারেঞ্জমেন্ট করার আপনি করবেন, এবং ওখানে অকুপেন্টস যারা আছে, যারা বাসিন্দারা আছে ওই কনস্ট্রাকশনের মধ্যে, তাদেরকে বার করবেন। And the demolition proceeding should continue on day-to-day basis. It should not. Yes. It should not stop till the whole thing is brought down.
Kindly see that the report of the police.
Please not show me anything, Mr. Mukherjee. I have had a lot, nothing more. You advise your officers how to work so that the demolition process starts today itself from 2 o'clock. where from he is going to make arrangement. No excuses, no matter how much you inquire or ask from him.
But until unless order municipal,
The corporation is there. Their men is over there.
municipality identify the plot and the number of occupants.
Don't go for identification once again, I tell you.
We will be there. Let them do not
The
identify.
officers will be there of the Bali and the Howrah municipality. This is a special case
Demolition squad will
where
be there.
direction has been passed.
It is very
Have you
difficult to
followed?
carry the demolition
So-
squad every time to Bali.
No excuses. This structure which has been identified, irrespective of the fact whether it is 144 by 1, it is to be demolished.
Kindly record that order so that we can come immediately. Whether it is 144 or 144 by 1.
আমরা তো করেছি। আমরা তো আইডেন্টিফাই করে দিয়েছি তো।
No, but
চেষ্টা করছি।
Who are you to raise all these issues?
আমরা বুঝতে পারছি না।
Who are you to raise all these issues?
আমরা
no,
তো
no,
point out-
Malad.
Corporation has detected it.
আমরা পয়েন্ট আউট করে দিচ্ছি ওই বিল্ডিংটা আমি ভ্যাকেট করব।
No, Malad. The occupants have submitted
That order.
mandatory order. Kindly pass that order.
আধার কার্ড তো
Aadhaar card has been
The
submitted by the occupant.
The
154 by 1.
structure, the unauthorized structure, photograph of which has been produced in court by the learned senior counsel representing the police,
ডেমোলিশন স্কোয়াড নিয়ে যাওয়া।
is to be demolished on and from today itself, and the demolition process shall continue till the entire unauthorized structure is brought down. Stop. Next. The officer in charge of the Belur police station is personally present in court. Stop. He has been made aware about the demolition work. Stop. The police shall take steps for removal of the occupants from the unauthorized structure at once. Stop. The order of demolition is pending execution for a considerable period of time, and the order of demolition has also been upheld by the Honorable Division Bench. Stop. Next. The unauthorized construction should not stand for any further, should not stand any further. Stop. Next. The Howrah Police Commissionerate is directed to render all assistance at the time of implementing the order of demolition.
ডেমোলিশন স্কোয়াড।
To the demolition squad. Yes.
And
For the
Malad,
next
all
matter.
municipal corporations and but the
আমরা
Bollywood.
থাকছি ওখানে, আমরা থাকছি ওখানে।
থাকবেও না সব
আমরাই তো
54
ভাঙবো।
চলুন 54 চলুন
আপনারা এত
Yes, 6.
ক্রিয়েট হচ্ছে কেন?
Please, your lordship, my lord. Lord, on the last occasion, Lord, Mr. Banerjee took time